Now, while it's common knowledge that women do not inherit landed property, our ancestors have this practice of Iduna ono. Iduna ono is a practice whereby women are showered with gifts and items that she would use in her husband's house. This house could range from a land or livestock or clothes or foodwares, depending on what the father has. Currently, we see families gifting landed properties, cars, washing machines, cookwares, and all those things during the traditional marriage. These gifts that are being given to these women will enable them to start their life in their husband's house. So within our culture, or primarily within Igbo culture, Iduna honor becomes a form or a system of inheritance that is stipulated for women and women only. Men are not given any rights, are not given any sort of gifts as Iduna no. It is only done for women and women alone. So we could look at its aspect of fairness and equity. Women are beneficiaries of Idunono and men are beneficiaries of inheritance. So do you think with this knowledge of Idunono, do you now think that women are actually being disenfranchised within Igbo ancestral communities?